In this video, we're going to show you how to change the side marker bulb on a taillight. So you're going to want to take a 10mm socket or wrench and disconnect the negative side of the battery. Open the rear tailgate or the hatch. Get a flat head screwdriver or a body trim tool, and you've got two caps right here hiding some mounting bolts. You're going to pop those open. There's a little cutout. Pry that open, and then a Phillips screwdriver. Go right in there. I'll get a little magnet and pull that right out. Just pull it towards you, and then here is the running light, little marker light bulb right here. You're going to turn it counterclockwise, pull the socket out, and then grab the bulb and pull it out. So you're going to grab the bulb, line it up with the pins, push it in until it locks, line it up with the housing, and turn clockwise to lock it in. This is a 194 clear bulb. All you need to do at this point is guide those two pins right back in the spot. Push, make sure it's flush, grab your mounting bolts. Replace the covers. You have one tab on the top. It's going to go in like this, and then push and lock on the bottom. You want that cutout on the bottom. Now we can reattach the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket or wrench. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.